Hello guys, welcome to Ihtesham, a Python course for beginners to advanced programmers. Today we are going to make a dice rolling simulator or a game in Python. So here we have to know two things. The first one is dice and the second one is side. So this whole thing is called a dice and each side of it is called a side. So let's make it in Python. So first of all we have to import the library import module. First we have to import the random module. Now let's have a dice equals to, so we will take an eval input and enter the number of dices. Okay, so first of all we take an input to take input from the user about the dices. Basically input function will take the input from the user as a string. So using the eval function we will convert it to a number or integer and then save it in the dice. For example, say if the user entered -3, so how to note it, we'll say if dice is less than or equal to 0, print invalid dice and quit. Okay, now side equals to the same thing. We'll take an input from the user in the integer form, enter the number of sides. Okay, now if side is less than or equal to 0, invalid side and quit. Now we will say we will define role equals to an empty string and empty list. Now for I in range of 0 to dice. So what it means, we want to have dices. For example, if we enter 2 there, we will have 2 dices. So it's something like that. And now we will say face equals to random dot rand int between 1 and side. Okay, between 1 and side. It means, for example, if we entered a value 6 for the side, so our dash will have 6 sides. If we entered 8, our dash will have 8 sides, something like that. And now let's let's append face into roll. We'll say pen. And now let's print it. Print roll. Let's go and check it. So enter the number of dices. Let's go with 2 dices and 6 sides. So 2 and 6, it makes sense. Let's go with 8 dices and 2 sides. Okay. Let's go with 2 dices and 10 sides. Okay. Let's try again with, for example, 3 sides and 3 dices and 6 sides. Okay. So subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching. Comment me down below your favorite project to program next. And like this video, it means nothing to you, but this is a lot for us. If you have any question regarding this project, comment us below. I will be glad to answer your question. Goodbye.